Getting some rap on? He's got his rap on again. I don't even let my children listen to this music.
Oh, you don't have a back window.
No.
He likes rap. Unlock the door.
I said, oh no, we're going to have to call the cops. The neighbors are going to be like, deja vu. The cops are back out here. He keeps changing the channel. Right now he likes
Push the button. He's in heaven.
Yeah, he's like...
Oh yeah. Where's the...
It's probably, there's nothing that you can reach in and wiggle in.
Oh, it's right there. Yeah.
He keeps going to it, but he just hasn't pushed it yet.
Yeah. Push.
Oh, USAA
He
will
ain't
probably...
gonna put it in gear, is he?
I hope not.
He tried.
We'll break the window if he goes.
I was beating the window, but I put the emergency brake on.
Yeah, emergency brake's on.
Maybe USAA. Well, we can't call the non-emergency cop number and they'll come out here and do it, or will they try?
I think they would. I think they would. Yeah, the local police have. They have the thing.
You should have one.
I knocked and no one answered.
Would Lex have one?
You know.
We have his key.
Oh. I wouldn't know where the hell to look.
Yeah. Where do you start?
Where do you look for Slim Jim?
In the garage.
You ever seen his garage?
Yes.
Come on, open. Don't hurt your window, Greg. We tell him to push right there, and he keeps pushing on the door right here.